Are you looking for overview of budget-friendly wooden craft ideas for furniture and decor? Wooden crafts projects for personal use and for sale? Here's a structured approach to the topic: wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces, ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. When considering budget-friendly wooden craft ideas for furniture and decor, it's essential to begin with the types of wood that are cost-effective yet versatile. Pine, plywood, and reclaimed wood are excellent choices, as they are often readily available and relatively inexpensive. Starting with simple projects can help you hone your skills while keeping costs low. For instance, creating wooden shelves can be a great way to utilize scrap wood. By cutting the wood into uniform sizes and using brackets or wall mounts, you can create functional storage solutions that add character to any room. Another appealing project is designing rustic wooden signs. Using reclaimed wood, you can paint or stencil inspirational quotes, family names, or decorative images, which can be sold at craft fairs or online marketplaces. These signs not only serve as decor, but also offer a personal touch to homes. Moving on to furniture, consider building a basic coffee table or side table. These can be constructed using plywood for the tabletop, combined with sturdy legs made from 2x4s. By incorporating a simple design with clean lines, you can appeal to modern tastes while ensuring that the project remains budget-friendly. Staining or painting the wood can further enhance its aesthetic appeal. For a more unique twist, you could make a coffee table with a storage compartment underneath, which can be as simple as attaching a hinged lid to the top. This adds functionality while maintaining a sleek look. Another creative idea is crafting wooden crates, which can be used for storage or as decorative pieces. You can build these crates from inexpensive pine boards, and they can be painted or stained to match any decor style. These crates can serve multiple purposes. They can be stacked for storage, used as planters, or even transformed into side tables. Additionally, making wooden planters is a fantastic way to merge functionality with aesthetics. By constructing simple boxes, you can create beautiful displays for flowers or herbs, which can be sold at local markets or used to enhance your own garden. For wall decor, consider creating wooden wall art. This can involve cutting wood into shapes or designs and painting them in vibrant colors. Layering different pieces of wood can create depth and interest, making your art pieces stand out. You could also experiment with techniques like wood burning to add intricate designs to your pieces. These art pieces can serve as focal points in modern homes and can be marketed as unique, handcrafted items. Another innovative idea is to create a wooden headboard for a bed. This can be a straightforward project that dramatically enhances the look of a bedroom. By using reclaimed wood or pallets, you can achieve a rustic look that is very much in vogue. A simple design might involve joining several planks together and finishing them with a protective stain. This way, you not only create a statement piece for the bedroom, but you also make use of materials that are often discarded, thus keeping costs low. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to furniture and decor, consider making wooden toys, which can be a delightful craft for personal use or sale. Simple designs like building blocks, puzzles, or pull-along toys can be crafted with minimal tools and materials. These toys are not only budget-friendly but also appeal to parents looking for safe, non-toxic options for their children. Personalizing these toys with names or designs can add value and make them more desirable. For seasonal decor, wooden ornaments for holidays can be a fun project. By cutting shapes for Christmas trees, Halloween pumpkins, or Easter eggs from plywood, you can create a range of festive decorations. These can be painted, decorated with glitter, or left natural for a more rustic look. Selling these items during holiday seasons can be particularly profitable, as many people seek unique decorations to enhance their celebrations. Another excellent idea is to create wooden serving trays or cutting boards. These items are practical and can be stylish additions to any kitchen. By choosing hardwoods like maple or walnut, you can create durable pieces that will last for years. Personalizing these items with engravings or unique shapes can also make them appealing for gifts or special occasions. Creating wooden furniture pieces like benches or stools can also be a rewarding venture. Simple designs that require minimal cuts can be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. You could consider incorporating storage into these pieces, like a bench with a hinged lid, to appeal to those looking for multifunctional furniture. As you embark on these projects, consider the importance of finishing techniques. Sanding your wood thoroughly will ensure a smooth surface, while stains and sealants can protect your pieces and enhance their appearance. Learning how to use basic hand tools and power tools safely will also be crucial, as these skills will allow you to tackle a variety of projects with confidence. In terms of marketing your crafts, utilizing social media platforms to showcase your creations can be a powerful tool. High-quality photographs of your finished pieces can attract potential buyers, while crafting engaging stories about your creative process can create a connection with your audience. Participating in local craft fairs or farmers markets can also provide excellent exposure and the opportunity to meet customers directly. Additionally, consider offering workshops or classes to teach others how to create their own wooden crafts. This not only generates income but also fosters a community of DIY enthusiasts who appreciate the value of handmade furniture and decor. Sharing your knowledge can also strengthen your brand and establish you as an authority in the wooden crafts industry. As you explore these ideas, remember that the key to successful crafting lies in creativity and resourcefulness. By embracing a mindset focused on sustainability and innovation, you can create beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with customers and enhance your own living space. Whether you choose to sell your crafts or keep them for personal use, the joy of creating something with your own hands will always be rewarding. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked of budget-friendly wooden craft ideas for furniture and decor wooden crafts projects you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.